As a society, we love certainty. We love certainty. But what I've come to realize and what has helped me is life happens in the gray zone. Life happens in the uncertainty, and it can be maddening. But whenever we can accept that, these decisions become easier. And I think it can become overwhelming whenever we try and make decisions for the end goal, the big outcome. But what I find works best is get quiet, maybe close your eyes, get in conversation with your intuition, and just think about what is the next right thing. And you often know there's just a lot of noise distracting you from the next right thing. So get quiet, think about the next right thing, and then it's like laying down one yellow brick at a time. Each yellow brick is the next right thing. And eventually, you have this beautiful yellow brick road leading you to your end goal. And it just took making one decision at a time.